Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to convert python.py file to Windows Executable.exe file in Python. Prerequisite to convert .py to .exe is to have installed on your machine pyInstaller module. You can do that by typing in your terminal or command prompt pip install pyInstaller and press enter. Now you need to choose a Python file. Here in this example I'm gonna use this file. This program checks is number is even or odd. This file is in this folder on this path. I can find it by typing, for example, this command. Here we have it. Now how to create executable file. In order to do that, I'm gonna use pyInstaller and I'm gonna type the name of our file that I want to install and press enter. This file is successfully converted to executable file. I'm gonna find it in this folder. In this folder there's also folder even odd, but we can't execute it from here. I'm gonna copy it and let's paste it in Windows Explorer. Here is our even odd executable file. I'm gonna run it. That's all in this tutorial. Don't forget to check other tutorials on this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.